Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do medicine wholesale business. First, thoroughly research the market to understand demand and identify your ideal customers. Next, familiarize yourself with all federal and state regulations governing drug distribution. Finally, create a detailed business plan that outlines your operational strategies, financial projections, and marketing approaches. This foundational work is crucial for a successful start. Once your plan is solid, focus on legal compliance. You'll need to obtain all required state and federal wholesale drug distributor licenses. This process can be complex, so ensure all paperwork is accurate. Simultaneously, begin establishing strong relationships with reputable pharmaceutical manufacturers. Negotiate favorable terms and pricing for your products, as this directly impacts your profit margins and competitive edge in the market. With licenses and suppliers in place, attention turns to operations. Set up a compliant warehouse that meets all regulatory standards for proper storage and handling of medicines. Implement robust inventory management and quality control systems to track products and ensure their integrity. Finally, plan efficient logistics for timely and secure delivery to your customers, which is vital for maintaining trust and reliability. To ensure long-term success, develop a strong sales strategy to effectively reach healthcare providers and pharmacies. Building lasting customer relationships through excellent service and reliable delivery is paramount. Continuously explore opportunities for expanding your product offerings and entering new markets. Staying informed about industry trends and adapting your business model will help you achieve sustained growth and profitability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.